I was watching another YouTuber reloading this Boy slugs, and he said he liked his Russian roll crimper better than his BPI. The Russian roll crimper, I asked him, and he verified is from, come on, forest camping. Now I have this BPI crimper, the one roller, not the top of the line, but hey, it works. And here's the forest camping. Now notice instead of a separate pin, it is molded three shelves into it. This one, it's made of aluminum versus steel. And oh yeah, well, you can see the difference. And that's why he liked this one better, because it fits the profile of these slugs, better. Because there's, less material right there. This, they bottom right out on here. Well, I found out they do bottom out on here too, but it just takes a little bit more. But when they do, they'll do this. Now, I was hoping to be able to, minimize the amount of excess hull. Ended up cutting them with my 2.5 inch guide. Because 2.25 just doesn't work with either one of them. I was hoping that this would let me do it. 2 3/8, you might get away with this one. I'm not sure. Haven't tried it. Okay, now the difference is here's a BPI. Come on, thought it was. There we go. It's got a little taper on there. It's fairly flat. But I had to, have about an extra 1/2 inch of tull. I was hoping to get down to like 1/4, minimize it. Now here is the Russian one. And it does not have that taper. It sort of tries to flare out a little bit. Not quite as nice. So yeah. Oh well. These things are definitely cheaper, but yeah. $7 of shipping is, it's almost as much as the Crimper. Crimper's like 11 or $12, I think. So yeah, they're less than $20 shipped. Get them on eBay. Versus, I think these are like 35. But steel versus aluminum. Depends on what you're loading them in. That taper could be all the difference. Make all the difference in the world to you. It probably does. But yeah, I figured I would. Let's see, because I have to roll in whoever's name it was. They like the Russian over their BPI. It may very well work better for them in their situation. Depends on their gun. But at least you can see the difference that I saw, and yeah, not much more to say, but yeah, yeah, kind of speaks for itself. You be the judge. All right, well, I'll leave you with this, and I'll see you later. God bless.